Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, my Walmart beauty box arrived. I believe this is fall. I also got a little friend mail. Just a quick card from Miss Sally C. A little thank you. Very pretty card. This is a Hallmark thank you. She was a winner recently. Oh, and she sent me some stickers. Oh, these are s'mores. How cute, huh? Pardon the nail. I broke my nail. So thank you for the stickers, Sally. You know I love my stickers. So Stephanie, thank you for all my goodies. Love the masks. The palette is so pretty. From Miss Sally. So thank you, Sally. I did get your card. I appreciate that so much. Okay, let's get into Walmart. So here it is, and I did take the shrink wrap off it. It says this is the Beauty Box Fall 2023 Fall version 4. There's the sticker. So let's see what I get in version 4. This actually came in my P.O. box earlier this week. I didn't really have a chance to pick it up until today. I just had not been able to get by there. All right, it comes with a little insert, and it's, you know, kind of supposed to give you the MSRP of the stuff that is in the box. Now, not everything that is on this card is going to necessarily be in the box, and there could definitely be some items in the box that are not on the card. Version 4, so that'll be interesting to see. There is a little QR code you can scan. Oh, in the back looks like sponsored by Cetaphil with another QR code. So there's that. So we'll keep this nearby, see what it says. Ooh, okay, first thing out is a Revlon. I feel like I've gotten something very similar to this. I think it's over on my desk. This is Revlon's Live Boldly Illuminance Skincare Foundation with 5% squalene and hyaluronic acid. So that looks really nice. So there's the front of that. So it's all the shades, and it's just, I mean, they're itty bitty samples. You know, basically all you can do with something that size is swatch, you know, your face to figure out what shade might be you. And, you know, it will give you a feel of it. But that's nice. Little samples that, you know, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like there's 12 shades on here. Okay. Wonder which one I would be. I think I would probably be tan sand. Of course, I'm just looking at my... Ooh, or buff beige. I tend to run as like a neutral shade. I'm not necessarily cold tone. I'm not necessarily warm tone. I'm pretty neutral. But this is just looking at my hands or my arms as to what the shade might be. I would really want to swatch my face, but that's neat. I don't know that I've tried the Revlon Illuminance Skincare Foundation. Okay, lots of goodies in there. First big item. Let's just do this one first. ITK Clay Color Changing Mask helps tighten pores and removes buildup. So I'm going to guess clay color. I'm guessing this is a clay mask, and it is going to dry down and tighten on your face. So this is going to be a very drying mask. So 2 ounces, it looks like, or 60 milliliters. So scan the QR code to be in the know. It says you can use it AM and PM. It's got kaolin clay, jojoba seed oil, and glycerin in it. Directions say apply onto face, dry for 5 minutes, and rinse and dry. $14.97 for the full size, which this is 2 ounces, it says. Let's just see what it looks like. I don't mind clay, but I'm not all that particularly oily. That's what it looks like. Just simple. I'm not all that particularly oily. I have pretty normal skin. I guess I would say it's sensitive, but normal. I'm not, and my skin, because I've been using the laser, you guys have seen me using my Tria laser, my skin is a little dry lately. I'm not sure I will keep that and use that, just for that reason alone. Okay, so here, remember I said the box is sponsored by Cetaphil. There we go. So... let's see, this is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. A full size of this would be 16 ounces, and it would be $11.97. So this is 1 ounce. So if you multiply this by 16, that would be the full-size bottle, $11.97. I don't mind Cetaphil. It's a very nice, very gentle cleanser. What do we got here? Carol's Daughter, Born to Repair, 60-second moisture treatment. This is 1 ounce. This looks like a hair product to me. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yep. Okay. Full size of this would be 6.8 ounces. And $9.25. Carol's Daughter Born to Repair Moisture Treatment. After, oh, my lighting is not really great to read this. After using the nourishing shampoo, apply evenly, wait 1 minute, and then do not rinse. It says you can layer on your, layer our moisturizing conditioner on top, then massage gently and rinse well. Okay, did I not already? I feel like I got this in another box recently, but with the shampoo and conditioner, which I'm not seeing in here, so I'm a little confused, but that's okay. So it's kind of, I guess, like a leave-in conditioner, so that's very nice. Next, ooh, Thayer's. This is Thayer's brand. This is a Soak It Up 80-hour liquid moisturizer, 1 ounce. I just want you guys to know that both of these are an ounce. Just saying. Interesting. A little bit excessively large packaging on this. So Thayer's Natural Remedies Soak It Up Liquid Moisturizer. A full size would be 2.5 ounces. So 2.5 times the size of this. $19.97. That's expensive for 2.5 ounces. They must think this is really amazing. Twice daily, morning and evening, squeeze a small amount and massage into clean skin until evenly absorbed. It does show that it is cruelty-free. It says, what are natural origin ingredients? Thayer's only considers an ingredient to be of natural origin if it is unchanged from its natural state or has undergone processing but retains greater than 50% of its molecular structure from its natural source, or original, sorry. 3% of the ingredients in Thayer's Soak It Up BOHR liquid moisturizer are not natural in origin. In order to ensure its, I think it says sensorality and preservation. So there's some preservatives that they need to use. So this is for, it says normal to dry skin. It says snow mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. Penetrates 5 surface layers, barely there feel. Well, I will definitely try this. It sounds quite nice. All right. So yeah, full size on that again. $19.97. Pricey. Okay, we have something in a bag. The little top that kind of came off. Oh, it's Ariana Grande. Okay, it is her brand. It says thank you next, and it is 1.7 ounces. It is a body mist. 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces. Caution flammable. Okay, so that's kind of what that looks like right there. A full size is 8 ounces and $9.98. So it's basically like a body mist, I guess. That's what it says. Not really much instruction, but it does say trademarks are the property of Grand Ari Inc. Blah, blah, blah. It says the ingredients. Big old bold letters say it's caution flammable. Yeah, so, okay. It's a body mist. Let's see if we can smell it. It's okay. It's kind of florally. Probably not my thing, but, you know, that's all right. Like they, you know, it's things to try. Sample sizes. So it did come in this little box. And then from Impress, which is, I think sometimes does the false nails. These are press-on false lashes. They are pre-bond technology, no glue needed. They actually give you a little like tweezer so that you can apply them. So it's Kiss and Impress. So that's that. And these are, is this a full size? Where's the sizing? How many are in here? Tell me. These might be full size. So it says on the cart, a full size is 20 count. I think this is actually an 8 count, unless there's some layered that you can't see. But a full size would have 20 count, and it would be $14.97. So that's what I'm going with. I'm going with this as more of a sample size. Yep, not for sale. So you see right up here. So definitely sample size. So if you want to see them, I'm going to turn it. So that's kind of nice. You could probably just use like 2 across pretty easily on each eye. If you wanted to, maybe 3. I don't have big enough eyes to use 4, I don't think, but that's pretty neat. How to apply. So these are pre-glued. You pick a cluster from the tray with the tweezers that they give you. Place it, it says underneath your natural lashes, and you squeeze them together. So I want to show you guys the applicator and how they kind of, so it's supposed to be using one of these applicators. Okay, I just want you guys to see this. And then they give you a regular tweezer. I'm just saying, it's pretty funny. I'm just saying, like, they give you a regular tweezer, but you need to have like an actual eyelash tweezer, like the big fake eyelash tweezer. So, but that's whatever. It's just a sample. All right, so that's everything. That's all we got in here. Pretty good. So pretty much everything that was in my box was on the card. What was not on the card, well, okay, so they actually do talk about this as well. This, the Revlon Illuminance. So if you get a full size of this, it's going to be 1 ounce bottle, and that's going to be $13.48. And again, the shades that they have are right there. So, all right. Carol's Daughters, Born to Repair, $9.25. We've got Ariana Grande at $9.98. Thayer's, which is extremely expensive. The regular size of this would be $19.97. I'm giving you the regular size prices. This is a little sample from Cetaphil, but the regular size would be $11.97. The lashes we just went through, these are going to be $14.97 for full size. And then we have this clay color changing mask from ITK, which is in the know. And this is the full size. It's $14.97. Now the box is only $6, I believe $6.97 or 98 cents, plus whatever your local tax is. And that's shipped to you. So for me, it's under $7.50 for this. It's a quarterly box. So I spent, I think it's like $7.40 something cents. Let's just say I spent $7.50 on this. This is already well paid for, twice the cost of the box. This is $14.97. So we'll just say this is $15. That's already double what I paid for the box, right? And then, I mean, you got some really cool other sample size stuff, you know? I think this is, they're finally, I think, doing a really great job. I know there's been a lot of issues in the past where they've, like, blown up people's credit cards, double charging and all that. That's definitely not a good thing for Walmart, but I continue to get this, and I feel like I might actually be signed up for 2. So I might be going to get another box eventually that'll be a fall box. We'll see. They do also have like a slightly fancier box that comes out every now and then. I'm having a brain fart as to what it's actually called, but it's more, it runs more under $20, and it comes out with much nicer and probably a little bit more stuff. But yeah, I'm happy to get this quarterly at $7.50. Don't use everything, but that's all right. It's introduced me to some really interesting stuff for sure. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Have you gotten your fall box? And I guess I can't shut it. I got everything kind of jammed in there. That's the number again. I got version 4. Now, whether or not version 4 is going to be the same for you and I think that's how it's working. I think we've discovered that it works that way, but I don't know. All right, y'all. I really appreciate your time. I hope you're having a great week. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.